Are you leaving money on the table by not using Pipedrive's referral program? I want to show you exactly how to earn rewards in just a few minutes. It's one of those features that's easy to overlook, but once you know where everything is, you'll wonder why you didn't start sooner. First, I'll show you where to find your unique referral link. Then we'll walk through how to share it. And finally, I'll cover how you can track your rewards and see your progress adding up. So let's jump in. Start by navigating to Pipedrive's referral program page. This is your home base for everything reward-related. You'll find it right inside your account settings, and it's clearly labeled as the Referrals and Rewards section. Now, take a moment to review the How It Works section. I know it's tempting to skip straight to the good stuff, but reading these rules is actually really important. Pipedrive's official documentation outlines exactly what makes a referral eligible. For instance, the company that signs up needs to be a new customer, and they have to subscribe to a paid plan. Understanding these details up front saves you from confusion later. All right, here's the part you've been waiting for. Look for the button labeled Copy Invite Link. It should be right there on the referral program page. Once you find it, go ahead and click it. Your unique referral link is now copied to your clipboard. This link is tied directly to your account, so every sign-up that comes through it is tracked back to you. Now you're ready to share it. You can paste this link anywhere you communicate with people, whether that is in an email, a direct message, or even on your website. But if you want to make things even easier, Pipedrive has built-in sharing options. Let me show you those. Click the Share button, and you will see options for LinkedIn, X, which used to be called Twitter, and Facebook. If you are active on LinkedIn, this is a great place to post your link. Just click the LinkedIn icon, and a pre-formatted post will pop up. You can add a personal note before you share it, explaining why you love using Pipedrive and how it could help your connections. The same thing goes for sharing on X or Twitter. Click that icon, and you will get a ready-to-tweet message with your link. It is quick, it is seamless, and it takes the guesswork out of your post. Facebook is another option. Click the Facebook icon, and it will open a post that you can customize. Maybe tag a few friends or colleagues who you think could benefit from better customer relationship management tools. Now, here is a tip that people often overlook. When you share your link, take a moment to encourage people to actually sign up. Do not just drop the link and walk away. Add a sentence or two about how Pipedrive has helped you stay organized or close deals faster. A little context goes a long way. Once your referral signs up, they need to subscribe to a paid plan. This part requires a bit of patience. You might need to wait a few days or even weeks, depending on their decision timeline. But don't worry, your link is still working in the background. In the meantime, come back to the Referrals and Rewards tab. This is where you can monitor your referral progress. You will see a list of everyone who clicked your link and where they are in the sign-up process. It is color-coded and really easy to read. For a deeper look, open the Activity History tab. This section shows you a detailed timeline of every referral action. You can see when someone clicked your link, when they signed up, and when they subscribed. It is like having a personal dashboard for your reward earnings. Finally, let's talk about the result. When an eligible company subscribes using your link, you will see the reward update right there in your activity history. Depending on your region and the current promotion, you could earn a nice payout or a gift card. And you have got full visibility into everything from start to finish. Hopefully that clears up any confusion about how Pipedrive's referral program works. You have got the tools, you know where to find your link, and you understand how to track your progress. So go ahead, start sharing that link and watch those rewards add up.